Make a short walk to the main campus. An evening walk. It's gonna make a short walk to the main campus. Cafe sounds like a cultural center. Used to come out here in the past. Used to be a couple of cultural activities out here. Interesting stuff. Let's see. It's open. Yeah, it is. Cafe. Talking about saw some bachata, the 25th of April. Next project. A lot of teaching as well. And with this, it's closed. It's actually semester holidays, so that's why it's closed. I don't know what's happening. Could also understand why campus is so empty. Anyways, let's move on. Here we are at the university library. A very large complex. Let's take a look inside. As I made mention, it's semester vacation, so only the most book liking people are gonna be around. Construction work going on. Am I surprised now? It's actually a cafe area in the library as well. So it looks like I really don't want to go in. Just want to look around. So the coffee machines shows exactly what you're photocopying directly. You can see and appreciate it. Really impressive. Coffee machine in the library. Well, I am actually making my way out. As you realize, there's a lot of construction going on, but there's so many people as well in there studying, despite the fact that it's semester vacation. What is so impressive about the library is the greenness, the leisure, nature, free coffee, printing machines, and just a cool, relaxing vibe. Open spaces, closed up spaces. Pretty amazing. So it was great. Yeah, this used to be some kind of a medical book sales shop. Doesn't look like that any longer. I see bicycles. See a lot of old stuff. That's a gaming hub. It says out there it's a bike park. Bike repair station. And this one is general repair. So I would imagine people bring this stuff here and could easily get cheap stuff or have your stuff repaired for a decent amount. So I think it's gonna be my last stop. This is the medical faculty. This is how it looks like from behind. That's the library. That's where we just went to, just part of it. So much you admire seeing there. That's in the engineer. This in Shafton. So it's like anything to do with engineering. So many other spots out there as well. Just wanted to show you the beautiful view out here. There's the Audimax large auditorium. Yeah, get it. Still part of it at the back there. Still part. So, University of Bochum is actually a very renowned seat of wisdom, seat of knowledge. Has a lot of history. Has a lot of great products in the society as well. Yeah, so you get it, guys. That's the landscape. Beautiful outside. Beautiful view. It's no longer rainy. It's a calm day. Barely anyone around, except maybe in the library and the bars and cafes around the area. But you get it. Okay, that's it for now. I guess I better get going.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate.